Okay, hi guys. Today we're making these little thingies. They're like headband thingies. And it's really simple. All you need is the headband and this bow thing. That's pretty much it. So to start, you need a headband base, and using this bow, you just pretty much glue it on. You have to cut it though, because it's way too big and it just takes up all the space. Okay. I can rip it off. Like, you want to try to cut them as small as possible without like taking anything off, so that it's like easier to stick to the thing. Stick them.
So you want them like this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna put two. This is fun because when you have bows from people giving you gifts, instead of throwing them in the garbage, which is pretty wasteful, you can make these really fun headbands. So it's also eco-friendly. And you can make them to match certain outfits or for your birthday.
Yeah. You can also make several different ones. I made this one. You can make one like this.
And that one's good because if you're a Frozen fan, it goes really well with your Frozen costumes.
It's kind of fun doing this.
FLOMO has awesome bows for this because they're big and they don't look just like regular gift bows. They're really floofy, so they come out really nice. And that's it. That's all it takes to make a hair bow. And you can get these plain headbands anywhere, like at your local CVS or Walgreens or any place, or on Amazon. They're really inexpensive. You may even have some lying around at home.
That's all it is.